Good morning. Hi. I haven't made a video in this channel for about a week, or maybe even more. And that's because I started some other project with another YouTube channel even. And it's this app. It's called Master Crimes. It's based on React Native and Apollo, just like my other stuff. And it's a Dutch Mafia, text-based Mafia game. And as you can see, there are lots of options already. We have home where you can, we have 4 subtabs in the home. So this is a tab navigator and this is another tab navigator inside of it. So yeah, I will show you the whole game. We have home here. Home contains the status, a shop, income and options, and this is how it looks. Here you can see, by the way, all the things that you have. It gets this data from the server and it shows the same thing here. In the shop you can buy weapons, protection and houses. I just bought a wooden house in the tree, a tree house, for 5,000 euros. Okay, so you can get income every day, every 6 hours. So now it says I just earned 40 euros and in 6 hours I can do it again. The better the house I get and the better my rank is, I'm now a nobody, 20%. The better, the more income I will get. Then we have the settings in which you can log in with Google. I will do it now to demonstrate. It goes really easy, and yeah, so as you can see, there's my picture just popped up there. It filled in my name for me, and if I want I can fill in my phone number, and I can say others may WhatsApp me or call me. Here I can change the channel, and that's for the chat. So whenever I type a message now, it will pop up there and it will show my picture and screen name. And I can even like it. It all works with React Native Apollo, and I will show you the code next. So besides the chat, which works awesomely, currently it doesn't have any pagination or subscriptions. It's just a simple query that requests the last 100 messages every time. And I know this is not perfect, but for me it doesn't matter as long as it works for now. And then we have the member page, which is quite complicated when you see it at first. It shows the top, or it shows all the members, and you can do multiple things. This shows that you're online right now because I performed an action just now. I got my income, so then I will pop up online. These are the top 3: gold, silver, bronze. And there are some actions you can do. You can give each other respect, like this. And you can do that only once an hour. Once an hour. That's Dutch. Here you can, by the way, let me put it there. And I'm looking in the camera now. That's awesome. So this means attack. So I can steal money from people. It says I just stole 2,500, and you can do that once every 2 minutes. And then you can, and this is the most awesome feature that I'm really happy with. It's you can get a prompt, and that's really cool because it asks you, what do you want to say to this person? And I can just type in a message. It's Dutch. And yeah, I can either press cancel, in which case it will go away again, the prompt, and I can press OK. And it says here, okay, I want to send a push message to number 9. That's this guy I just clicked on. Because I don't show the names there in the member page. I will do that later maybe. And it costs 10,000 euros to do that, the message, to send the message. So yeah, if you press OK, it will say, okay, it's sent. It cost you 10,000. As you can see, 10,000 just got removed. And I get a push notification on my phone because that's me. And yeah, isn't that awesome? It instantly sends a push notification to someone for money. So yeah, that's kind of the power of things you can do with GraphQL. and Apollo and Expo and React Native. And yeah, I just want to show you. Also, I made the crime scene where you can choose what crimes to do, and you can do it. You can earn some money. It's a crime. It's a mafia game, yeah. So it also works pretty well. It works on Android and iOS. I'm really happy with this. I built this in just 2 weeks, about 2 weeks, and I'm gonna add some more functionality today. So you can steal a car here at the supermarket. Okay, let's do it. Hey, it worked. I only had 10% chance for it to work, but it worked. I got a Pontiac Firebird with 80%, 81% damage, and I got 186 bullets. And as you can see, yeah, 86 bullets just were added to my account. It also adds up here. So yeah, it all goes in sync automatically. It works really nice. And yeah, you might ask, how did I do this? So I will show you later. In this series, I will post a few videos of me adding stuff to the game and explaining how the game works on the back end. So I hope you will like it. I think you will, if you're interested into Expo, Apollo, React Native, and that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's it. Let me think. Yeah, so I want to add one function today because right now if you click on this button here, attack, there's just a 50% chance, and it's always the same, and it isn't based on the rank of the people. And it says I just stole, like, it's always 5%. So what I want to do is make a kill functionality, so you can actually use your bullets that you collect by stealing cars, and you can kill people with them. So whenever you have, for example, 30,000 bullets, that will be about enough for killing someone. You can press this button and it will prompt someone, or it will prompt just like this. It will prompt, what do you wanna do with this person? You want to, if you want to attack and just steal money, then 0 bullets is enough. Otherwise, fill in the amount of bullets you want to use, and then click kill. So there are going to be two buttons. One, cancel, will become attack, and OK will become kill. So when you press this, you can either attack or kill. You can't even click outside, so there's no turning back once you have clicked the button. That's gonna be funny. So yeah, that are gonna be the options. And for this prompt, you might wonder what I used for that. So I will show you now. I used this React Native prompt, and I put it in my own code base because I like to really understand the code that I use, and it's not a native, or it's not from React Native itself, not from Facebook itself. So it's built by some third party, and I will show you. It's shown here. It has 102 stars, and yeah, so this is what it does. Basically, it works on iOS and Android, and this is how you use it. And I can show you. So this is the prompt component. I put it all in one file because I like to keep things in big files. That's my style. And yeah, so it has lots of props. You can change a lot of things about it. It's really general purpose, so it's really good. But I might even make it some more complex, because I was even thinking of maybe adding a slider if it's an amount instead of a string of text. You might be able to. It would be cool to be able to fill in a slider. So for example, if you have 1186 bullets, it would be nice to have a slider here, so it goes from 0 to 1186, and you can slide like that. That would be cool. So yeah, I might even make that out of it. I don't know yet. I will first do the basics, the really necessary functional stuff, and then maybe add that. Alright. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions about the codes that I've just made in the past 2 weeks, don't worry, you can ask it, I will answer. Subscribe to this channel to keep getting more videos from me. I saw that this week I got 12 subscribers, which is amazing. I never expected that. And yeah, so I really want to know, why did you subscribe and what is it that you want to learn. So yeah, see you later. In the next video I'm probably showing you how I implement this prompt button into the attack functionality, and then make the UI that I need for killing. And after that I will probably make another video about the server in which I implement the backend for the killing functionality, because the killing functionality needs a lot of logic and calculations from different people added together in a giant formula that calculates if a person is actually gonna die from 1186 bullets, you know. So it's gonna be a rather complex formula, and I already know how I'm gonna build it. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, see you in another video. Bye bye.